Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Tesla fan or just an electric vehicle enthusiast, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the new Tesla Model Y Juniper, the refreshed Model Y, and everything that comes with it. Whether you're looking for the long-range model, the RWD standard range, or the performance version, we're going to break it all down for you. And if you've been wondering about Tesla Model Y accessories, or if you should buy a used Tesla Model Y, we've got you covered there too. So let's jump right in. Section 1. Overview of the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. Alright, first things first. Let's talk about the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. This is the latest version that Tesla's been teasing, and it's going to make waves. The Model Y refresh is not just about cosmetic changes. There are some key updates to performance, range, and interior features. If you're looking for that clean, sleek, and futuristic Tesla look, the Model Y Juniper is everything you've dreamed of. Now, what exactly is new about the Juniper version? We're looking at an updated front design, new hardware, and some tweaks to make your driving experience even smoother. Let's dive into the exterior design first. The headlights, front bumper, and grille all have this sleek, streamlined look. It's an evolution of the Model Y's already futuristic design. As you can see, the Model Y Juniper has a more aggressive yet refined stance. It's subtle, but it stands out. You'll also notice that there are minor improvements to aerodynamics, making the car more efficient, which is great for range. Section 2. Tesla Model Y Long Range and Performance. Now let's talk about the Tesla Model Y Long Range and Tesla Model Y Performance variants. The Model Y Long Range continues to be one of the most popular options for those looking to maximize efficiency without compromising on performance. The updated battery pack gives you a range of over 330 miles, which is incredible for a compact SUV. And when it comes to charging, Tesla's supercharger network still stands as one of the best. Whether you're on a road trip or just commuting to work, the long-range capabilities of the Model Y are perfect for everyday use. And if you're someone who loves speed and acceleration, the Model Y Performance is the way to go. With 0-60 mph in just 3.5 seconds, this car can really move. It's an absolute blast to drive, whether you're on the freeway or zipping through city streets. Section 3. Tesla Model Y RWD versus AWD. Comparison. Okay, let's get into something that a lot of people are asking about. Model Y RWD versus AWD. So, if you're wondering whether you should go for the RWD, rear-wheel drive, or the AID, all-wheel drive version of the Model Y, there are a few things to consider. The RWD Model Y has been a huge hit for people looking for a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing the driving experience. It still delivers that classic Tesla performance: smooth handling, incredible acceleration, and fun driving dynamics. But if you live in an area with harsh winters or heavy rain, you might want to opt for the AWD version. AWD gives you better traction in slippery conditions, which can be a game changer. So the AWD Model Y is the better choice for areas with extreme weather, but the RWD offers more range and a lower starting price. Both are fantastic options. It really depends on your specific needs. Section 4. Tesla Model Y Accessories and Customizations. Next up, let's talk about Tesla Model Y accessories. Whether you're looking to improve comfort, add some style, or just make life easier, there are a ton of cool accessories you can get for your Model Y. First up, the Tesla Model Y mattress. If you're taking long road trips, this is a must-have. It turns the backseat area into a cozy space for sleeping, which makes overnight drives a lot more comfortable. Plus, it's super easy to install and remove. Then we have the sunshade. It's perfect for reducing glare and keeping your cabin cool during those hot summer months. I highly recommend this one, especially if you have kids or pets in the car. And of course, there's the Tesla Model Y ambient lighting kit and other interior enhancements. These make a big difference when it comes to upgrading your car's look and feel. Little details like these can make the difference between a regular car and a Tesla experience. Section 5. Model Y, pricing, discounts, and availability. Okay, now let's talk about Model Y prices and whether or not you should buy now or wait for a discount. The Tesla Model Y has seen some price adjustments recently, with Model Y RWD starting at a more affordable price point. Depending on where you are, there might be special Tesla discounts or incentives, so it's worth keeping an eye out for those. If you're in the UK, Tesla is currently offering some great deals on the Model Y Long Range and Model Y RWD. And if you're considering the used Tesla Model Y market, there's an opportunity to save a significant amount of money. But be sure to check for long-term problems before committing to a used car. One thing to keep in mind when buying a used Tesla: always check the vehicle's history and make sure the battery health is still in good condition. After all, Tesla's batteries last a long time, but it's still something you'll want to verify. Section 6. Should you buy a used Tesla Model Y? So, should you buy a used Tesla Model Y or go for the new Model Y Juniper? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. The new Model Y offers the latest updates, better efficiency, and the security of a full warranty. But if you're on a budget and can't wait for the new release, a used Tesla Model Y is still a solid option. Just make sure you check the Model Y RWD review and inspect for any issues like Tesla rattle or signs of wear and tear. Section 7. Final thoughts and conclusion. So there you have it. A deep dive into the new Tesla Model Y Juniper, the Model Y Long Range, the RWD, and everything else you need to know. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a Tesla enthusiast looking for an upgrade, there's something for everyone. Remember, when it comes to choosing between used or new, RWD or AWD, and the accessories that best fit your lifestyle, it's all about finding the right balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on all things Tesla and electric vehicles. Drop your comments below. We'd love to hear which Tesla Model Y variant you'd go for and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and keep charging forward.